I'm back in the city. It's hot. Dude, it has been way too long. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but everything's changed. I had all these grand ideas of shooting on the waterfront with the city in the background, but it is super hot and super loud, so I'm heading back to my pad. I mean, look at me, I'm like a total sweat fest right now. Anyway, I'm gonna grab an iced tea or something because I am like dying, and then I'm gonna get back in the AC and I'm gonna talk about it. Hi. It's actually a week later from when I filmed that last little thing, which means this video is even more delayed, but I have been crazy busy, so I'm sorry. I also have a fan on full blast because it's still hot, so hopefully you can hear me okay. Anyway, I wanted to make a quick little video just to kind of update you on what's going on with me and my channel. So yeah, I'm back in New York for a job and I'm gonna be here for 6 months.
Oh my God.
It's a super long time and I'm kind of bummed for a few reasons. First thing is that I'm not gonna get to see Ben every day, which is sad. Second is that I'm gonna be missing the best part of the year in Milwaukee. It's like paradise there in the summer. Plus, I don't know if I'm getting older or what, but I'm starting to like it there better.
That's tea, actually.
A major bummer is that I'm not gonna be able to do as many DIY projects since I'm gonna be working a bajillion hours every week. I guess I should talk about that since some of you may not know. I split my time between New York and Milwaukee, and when I'm not on a job, I go back there and work on the house that I bought with my boo Ben. I also started working on some of my subscribers' places, which I totally love. I have a whole playlist of that, so if you haven't seen it yet, you should check it out. But my real job is here, so I gotta go back sometimes. I actually haven't been back in a while with the writer's strike that happened, so it's good to be working. I work in film and TV if you didn't know, and I've been doing it for a while. So yeah, my channel's gonna look a little different while I'm out here, but I've been thinking up some fun video ideas that I wanna make. I wanna make a Q&A video because I haven't done one of those in a while, so get your questions ready because I'm gonna be hitting you up soon. If you want a tour of my Brooklyn pad, let me know and I can show you that. I wanna do a week in the life while I'm out here in New York because I've never really showed that on my channel and I think it'd be kind of cool to share. Anyway, I don't wanna bore you with all the details, just know that stuff is coming. Working on a TV show takes up so much time, but I promise you that I'm gonna keep this channel alive. I love putting out DIY content the best, but when I'm working 90 hours a week, it's just kind of impossible. Anyway, I just wanted to keep you in the loop of what's going on. Thank you so much for your support and following me along on this little journey. I'll probably look totally Hagsville the next time you see me because I'll be exhausted, but I'll see you then. Bye. One thing I always forget about when I first get to New York is like how beautiful the view of the city is. So I'm gonna show you. All right, it's like really rainy and humid, but look at her. Just look at her, hold on. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that Empire State Building. Go on, girl. Live your life. See, noise.